welcome everybody. The last, I think it's just been 20 years, there's really been a revolution underway in the way biological and biomedical research is being conducted and the opportunities and challenges of an increasingly diverse and large sets of data. I think what began with a few wacky projects of sequencing cDNAs, spotting cDNAs on glass slides, has about 16 years ago, 18 years ago, has really snowballed into what cannot be described other than as a revolution, and it has irreversibly changed the way biological, biomedical research is being conducted. If you think back, those of you who are old enough, it's really remarkable. And that undoubtedly will dramatically change the way clinical practice and medicine is being pursued and conducted. Is already doing so, but I think that's really just still to come. And what is clear, given the community of researchers here, is that UCLA recognized early on that research is changing, and that research and biomedicine is not only about generating data, but also increasingly about analyzing such data. And these data, as we all know, are phenomenally diverse and very complex, not only big in size, but complex, and that the questions that one wants to address with those data are equally diverse. And so research is not only about applying a few standard tools to the analysis of data, but very much about the development of computational tools. And so we have really a very active community of people at UCLA who have at least a strong component in not only in the application of addressing biological questions, but actually developing tools that are useful for others. And that's what we wanted to highlight with the symposium, because that's often thought to be a given, and it's within the biomedical research community. And so I'm very excited that when we put the call out of people wanting to present their research tools, that we had an overwhelming response, and we really cut back on standard talks and focused now primarily in the symposium on the presentation of computational tools. And the impact of those tools, I think we hope to advance with a symposium like this that allows people who have data sets, who have questions, to think about what is possible. Often those tools that you see presented today, I think, are maybe just a starting point of further iterations that then suit other questions and other types of data. So very excited to have the symposium, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. And we're going to kick off with the first talk. And so the rules here, the ground rules are that most talks are 10 minutes with 5 minutes of questions. And given the tight schedule, I think the next person in line should begin to hook up during the question period, hook up the computer during the question period. I'm going to give us a sign for 1 minute after 9 minutes, and then we'll see how it goes.